So today we are starting chemistry. The chapter is chemical reactions and equation. So when milk is left at room temperature during summer, वो क्या होता है, फट जाता मिल्क. ठीक है. आयरन को अगर आप ह्यूमिड एटमॉस्फेयर पे छोड़ दे जहां पे ऑक्सीजन मॉइस्चर वगैरह हो, देन उसमें क्या होता है, रस्टिंग हो जाता है. और मेटल के लिए ये टर्म है कोरोजन. मेटल के लिए क्या टर्म है, ये कोरोजन. So corrosion is actually the oxidation of metal. So rusting is particularly for iron. फूड को आप बॉडी में फूड डाइजेस्ट होता है तो इट इज ऑल्सो ए केमिकल रिएक्शन. सो इनिशियल चेंज क्या हुआ, चेंज हो गया. इनिशियल सब्सटेंस क्या हुआ है, इनिशियल सब्सटेंस जो भी है वो चेंज हो गया है. तो इस तरह के हम लोग को बोलते हैं केमिकल चेंज. जैसे मिल्क, मिल्क में होता है लैक्टोज. मिल्क में क्या होता है, इसको कहते हैं मिल्क शुगर. क्या बोलते हैं, मिल्क शुगर. लैक्टोज को क्या बोलते हैं, मिल्क शुगर. और यही लैक्टिक एसिड में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. बैक्टीरियल एक्टिविटी से लैक्टोज क्या चीज में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है,
लैक्टिक एसिड.
और इसी तरह का ये थोड़ा खट्टा सावर टेस्ट देता है फिर. ठीक है, तो नोट करिए. बैक्टीरियल एक्टिविटी. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Now, whenever a chemical change occurs, जब भी एक केमिकल चेंज होता है तो एक केमिकल रिएक्शन हैज टेकन प्लेस. A chemical reaction has taken place. Note down. Like when magnesium ribbon is burned in presence of air or oxygen, then it forms magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide, which is a white powder. Note down. So when magnesium metal reacts with oxygen, it forms magnesium oxide, which is a white powder. So magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling flame and changes into a white powder. Note down. Magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling flame. So magnesium plus oxygen give magnesium oxide. Balance करेगा, then you will get this 2 Mg plus O2 give 2 Mg. So magnesium is a metal, it is a group 2 element. Noted Tejas and Pratik?
Yes, sir. Noted.
Tejas, very good. Now, there may be change in state. Change in state means state you have to remember S, L, G, A, Q. S means solid, L means liquid, G means gas, and AQ means aqueous. That means these four you have to remember. Whenever suppose change in state has taken place, then we say that chemical reaction has taken place. Change in color. Sometimes there is a color change. Generally in acid-base reaction, when we use indicators, so color also changes. Evolution of a gas. Sometimes what happens? Gas is evolved. Or change in temperature. Sometimes what happens? Change in temperature also happens. Sometimes temperature decreases, sometimes increases. So if these changes are taking place, we say that a chemical reaction has taken place. A chemical reaction has
Occurred.
Occurred. A chemical reaction has taken place. Note down. So change of state, color, evolution of a gas, change of temperature. These are the things that happens. Now we are going to discuss chemical equations. Chemical equations. Chemical equations. Like I wrote carbon plus oxygen give carbon dioxide, suppose. Then if we keep on writing this then it will complicate chemistry. So we use the symbols. So carbon is C, oxygen is O2, and carbon dioxide is CO2. Here carbon is 1, here also 1. Here oxygen is 2, here also. So it is a balanced equation. Now, if we want to like see the state, then carbon is in the solid state, oxygen is in the gaseous state, and carbon dioxide is also gaseous. So write down. What we write on the left hand side is reactants. Reactant or reactants. What we write on the right hand side is product or products. Note that. So the species which participate in the chemical reaction are reactant. The species which is formed during the reaction, that is the product. So here carbon and oxygen are reactant. Here carbon, oxygen are reactant, and here CO2 is a product. Understood, students?
Yes, sir.
Write down the substance that undergoes chemical change in the reaction are the reactants. The substances that undergo chemical change in the reaction are the reactants. The substances that undergo chemical change in the reaction are the reactants. So here in this equation, the substance carbon and oxygen are reactants, whereas the CO2 formed is the product. So write down. The new substance formed during the chemical reaction is the product. The new substance formed during the reaction is the product. Understanding, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Like we have sulfur. So sulfur reacts with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. Here sulfur dioxide is a gas, oxygen is a gas, and sulfur is a solid. Note down. So here sulfur oxidation is taking place because sulfur is adding oxygen to it. So sulfur is getting oxidized. Right down. So we say that sulfur react with oxygen to give. This arrow means to give sulfur dioxide. So sulfur plus oxygen react to give sulfur dioxide. Understood? The arrow points towards the direction of this reaction. The arrow points towards the direction of the reaction. In which direction the reaction is occurring. Understood?
Yes.
So let's discuss the first 20 elements of the periodic table which are important for your exam. So hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. You have to learn the names and symbol of this. So start writing. A chemical equation represents a chemical reaction. A chemical equation represents a chemical reaction. Written students, a chemical equation represents a chemical reaction.
Yes, sir.
Now, you have to know, you have to count the number of atoms on the left hand side and right hand side. Suppose carbon react with oxygen to form CO2. You see that carbon is 1 here on the left hand side, right also 1. Oxygen is 2, oxygen is 2 in 2. That means it is a balanced chemical equation. It is a balanced chemical equation. That means we don't need to balance it. Okay. Now let's see another example. Methane react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water along with some heat. That means it is an exothermic reaction. It is an exothermic reaction. Now, just count how you will balance it. Let's see. First, what you do, you write carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, the element participating in the reaction, and then you write two things. One thing is left hand side, another is right hand side. Now count. On the left hand side, how many carbons are there? One. One. Hydrogen is 4. Carbon is only 1. On the right hand side also carbon is 1. So carbon is already balanced. Carbon is already balanced. Now let's see hydrogen. On the left hand side, hydrogen is 4 in number. On the right side, it is only 2. Now let's see oxygen. Oxygen is 2 on the left hand side and it is 3 on the right hand side. So to balance hydrogen, what we need to do? If we multiply with 2 on the right side, then what happens? Hydrogen becomes 4. Hydrogen is balanced, but oxygen becomes 4 here. Now, if we multiply this with 2, the left hand side, now oxygen is 4. Oxygen is 4 on the right side also. So oxygen, hydrogen balance, carbon is already balanced. So now this is a balanced equation. Note down. Understood? Tejas, Pratik?
Yes, sir.
I will give you a few questions for you to balance.
Yeah.
Balance this simple equation. H2 plus Cl2 gives HCl.
H2 plus fluid.
When a reaction is not balanced, we call it skeletal chemical equation. Tejas,
Yes, sir.
understanding everything?
Yes.
Very good. So can you balance this one?
Yeah, sir. Right to at HCl के सामने दो लगा.
Very good. Well done. Good job. Now, can you do this? Zinc plus HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2 gas. Can you balance this equation? Pratik, you can also participate.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Zn
2HCl.
2HCl. C 2 HCl, that means chlorine is 2, chlorine is 2, 2 hydrogen, and zinc is already 1. So balanced. Very good. Well done.
Yes.
Good job. Next. Balance it.
Sir, first 2CO and then 2C.
Well done. Very good job.
Hmm.
Next. This you write down, important for your upcoming exam.
Yes, sir. Sir, 3Fe
Hmm.
and 2H2O and 2H2.
Oxygen is not balanced.
Oxygen. Yeah. One more 2. Sir, 4H2O. Yeah. And yeah.
Now it is.
8. Yeah.
Now it is balanced.
Yes. Good. Note down.
Sir, already balanced.
Yes, already balanced. No need to balance. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Right down. Next question. Balance it. Do it with the table form.
Sir, 2NH3.
First, you think that whether you are doing right or not. Just first make sure that you do it properly and then tell me the answer.
Sir, 3H2O, I think.
Think again.
Sir, 2NH3, then 3H2O.
Nitrogen,
then
hydrogen,
oxygen.
oxygen, left hand side, right hand side.
Yes, sir.
Nitrogen is 1. Here is also 1. Hydrogen is 3. Hydrogen is 2. Oxygen is 2. Oxygen is 2. So we need to balance first
Only
hydrogen.
hydrogen.
How you will do? Multiply this with
2.
2 and multiply this with 3.
3. Yes, sir.
Now hydrogen is balanced. Now the moment
Yes, sir. Now
now
oxygen.
3 oxygen and 4 oxygen is there. So we need to multiply 2 here. Oxygen is balanced. Now nitrogen we see. Nitrogen is not balanced yet. Nitrogen is 2 here, but here. So we need to do this.
2NO.
Now 2 and 3, 5 oxygen is there. 5 oxygen is there on the right side. And this is only 4. That means we need to do something else. No? So what we will do? We will do here what? 5 by 2. What we will do? 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 means we have to multiply the entire equation with 2. So it will become 4. It will even 5. This will become 4 and this will become 6. Check it. Check it.
Yes, sir.
Check it.
Sir, I did not get this one, sir.
No, see what happens. Oxygen is on the right side. How much? 5, no?
Yeah, sir.
So when 5 is there, no, so how to get 5? So you have to write like this. You have to write 5 by 2. Why? 2 will be cancelled. So it will be 5.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what we will do, we will not write 5 by 2. We will multiply the entire equation with 2 so that this 2 gets cancelled. Because we cannot write in a fraction, isn't it?
Yeah, sir.
So that's the equation. So your equation is this. 4 moles of ammonia, 5 moles of oxygen, 4 moles of nitric oxide, and 6 moles of water. Now you check it, it will be balanced.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Balance. Yes,
This
sir.
is an important question I gave. Let me write it again for you. So it is 4, it is 5, it is 4 NO.
Sir, we have to multiply by 2.
When in fraction 1 by 2 is there, no, the entire equation needs to be multiplied by 2 to remove that 2 in the denominator. Okay?
Oh, okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note down. This is a very good question actually. Next. CO plus hydrogen give methanol. Carbon monoxide plus hydrogen give methanol. Balance.
Sir, 2CH3, then 3H2,
Hmm.
then
How many carbon? Carbon is 1. Here is also 1. Hydrogen is 4. So if we multiply 2 here, then it is balanced. No? Why we need to add
4
anything?
is left.
Carbon we don't need to add anything.
2H2 तब भी नहीं होता.
आ जाता ना, आ गया ना. Hydrogen is 4. 4, 3 and 1, 4. Carbon is 1. Carbon is
Yeah,
1.
got it.
This is write down. This is methanol. This is carbon monoxide. Write down the mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is called what? Water gas.
Methanol.
Water gas or steam gas or synthesis gas. Write down. This is important. The mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is called water gas, steam gas, or synthesis gas. Balance. Balance it. This is a photosynthesis equation, so sunlight is also there and chlorophyll is also there.
Sir, C6 H12O6 plus 6H2O. अरे ये तो close.
That is opposite, no, you are telling.
Sorry. उल्टा लिख दिया. ये कहाँ गया?
See, first thing is 6 carbon is there, so multiply with 6. Now you have got 12 and 13 oxygen. So 6 and 9 oxygen only there. Do it 12 here. 12 to the 24, 12 oxygen and 12 oxygen, 24 oxygen. So 6 is there. Put it 6 here. So 6 and 12, 18 and 6. 24 oxygen is complete. Now hydrogen, 12 to the 24, 12 plus 12, 24. Everything balanced. Note down. This is glucose. C6H12O6 is glucose.
Or
Next,
the starch of the plant.
it converts to starch. In when plant do photosynthesis, this glucose only gets converted to starch. That is C6H10O5 whole N. That is starch. Because the osmotic pressure of glucose is high, so it is converted to starch. So plant store their food material in the form of starch. No doubt. Now next you balance barium chloride react with aluminum sulfate to give barium sulfate and aluminum chloride. Balancing. Next is sodium react with water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Start. Are you able to do, students? Here barium is 1, here is also 1. Sulfate is 3, so you need to multiply with 3 here. So when you multiply with 3, sulfate is balanced, but barium becomes more, so it is 3. Now 3 to the 6, there are 6 chlorine and 2 aluminum. So multiply with 2, balanced. Understood or no?
Yes, sir.
Just
हाँ सर मैं ही बोल रहा हूँ.
ठीक है.
Sir, can you repeat?
See, I'm just rubbing and doing it again. Just please concentrate. Just. How many barium is here?
1.
How many barium here? How many barium 1?
1.
How many sulfates are there?
3.
So 3 we will multiply. The moment we multiply with 3, sulfate is balanced, but barium has increased. So we will multiply here 3 also. Now 3 to just 6. How many chlorine are there? 6. But here we have only 3 chlorine. So we need to multiply now. Aluminum is 2 ice. Aluminum is
2.
only 1. So if we multiply 2, aluminum is also balanced, chlorine is also balanced. So right.
Done. Easy.
Next one.
And so,
Yes, sir.
Both are similar equation. Now sodium is 1, sodium is 1. Hydrogen is 2 here, hydrogen is 3 here. So you need to check hydrogen, how to balance. Both are similar equation because sodium and potassium are same group element. Okay?
okay, sir.
Write down the table and do it.
And
Done, student?
Sir, I think we have to write 2H2, but it will be no.
See, 2 you write. 2 you write in front. 2 sodium is balanced. Hydrogen is 2 and 2 4. So hydrogen is 4. Oxygen is 2. Oxygen is 2 balanced. And
Okay, sir.
both are similar only. So put it.
Khatam. Just write 2, 2.
Okay. CaCO3 heat gives CaO plus CO2. See if it is balanced or you need to balance it.
What, sir?
Is it balanced or you need to balance it?
Not able to. Question.
Balance.
With delta. So,
सर वो ट्रायंगल किस लिए है?
delta.
Triangle means heat. When a chemical reaction gets heated, then we use the triangle.
Okay.
And the thermal reaction. सर ये भी तो सही है ना, फर्स्ट वाला भी बैलेंस्ड है.
First is balanced. Very good. Second one is not balanced. Do it balanced. So balance करिए.
सर 2FeSO4 खत्म हो गया. And yeah, if 2FeSO4 is there, it will be balanced, I think.
हेलो
Who we have
सर.
to write?
सर
हाँ,
गौरव
तो-
आ गया सर. एडमिट कर दो उसको.
But after 5 minutes, I have to send again the link. Okay.
हाँ सर.
So if you write 2 here, then iron is 2 already. Oxygen is 8. So 3
Wow.
and 3 and 5 8. Sulfur is 2. Sulfur balanced. Very good.
सर लेकिन सल्फर. ओके ओके.
Balanced. No, sulfur is 2. Sulfur are 2 here.
हाँ सर.
Hi Gaurav.
Hello, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You woke up late today?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, no issue. I have recorded the session, so I will share with you. Don't worry.
Fine, sir.
Note down. AgCl sunlight Ag plus Cl2.
Yes, sir. 2 AgCl
Sir,
and
2,
then
2.
2 Ag.
Well done. Good job. Next. Let's do this balancing.
Sir, balanced.
That's very good. Balanced. Well done. Balance it.
Sir, 2 NaCl.
2 NaCl.
Yes. See, that sodium is 2 and chlorine is also 2, but here NaCl is only 1. So 2 if you multiply. Now barium is 1, sulfate is also 1. So it does not need any balancing. So it is already balanced. So right.
You already wrote the answer before, sir.
Yes. So you got a hint,
Where?
no?
No,
Actually,
sir.
I wrote, then I update actually.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think the meeting will end in how many minutes? It is 2 minutes. So just let me revise the entire thing, what I have covered today. Okay? So that Gaurav will also get the feel of what has happened today.
Yeah, sir.
Now, see, so today I started the class, the chapter being chemical reactions and equation. So when milk is left at room temperature during summer, what happens? The lactose of the milk, lactose is the milk sugar, converts to lactic acid, due to the bacterial activity. So summer, what happens? The temperature is high, the bacterial activity also becomes more higher, and due to which the lactose gets converted to lactic acid. Now, when iron is exposed to humid atmosphere, O2 moisture, then rusting of iron takes place, and rust formula is Fe2O3XH2O. This is the formula of rust. Corrosion. Corrosion is the term used for all the metals when it rusts, and for iron we tell rusting. Now food. Food gets digested in our body. It is also a chemical reaction. It is also a chemical reaction which is aided by enzymes. So enzymes in our body helps in digestion of food. So here what we see that the initial substance has changed. Initial substance has changed. So whenever a chemical change occurs, we say a chemical reaction has taken place. Whenever a chemical change occurs, we say a chemical reaction has taken place. Are you there, students?
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So magnesium reacts with oxygen to give magnesium oxide. So magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling flame and it forms a white powder, magnesium oxide. So you need to balance it. So 2 Mg plus O2 gives 2 Mg. So during chemical reaction, what happens? Change in state, change in color, evolution of a gas, change in temperature. These are the things that occurs.